Decoding the IP rating. Water resistance versus waterproofing. What is the IP rating? The IP rating, which stands for Ingress Protection Rating, is an international standard defined by the IEC, International Electrotechnical Commission. This two-digit code objectively measures a device's resistance to both solid objects, like dust, and liquids, primarily water. The rating is universally formatted as IPXY, where X is the protection level against solids and Y is the protection level against liquids. This standard provides a clear, tested classification, moving beyond vague marketing terms like weatherproof. The first digit, solid particle protection, dust. The first digit, X, rates protection against solid foreign objects on a scale from 0, no protection, to 6, highest protection. For modern smartphones, the most common rating is 6. The number 6 means the device is completely dust-tight, often called dust-proof. No ingress of dust is permitted into the enclosure, ensuring internal components, like speakers and processors, are fully protected from fine particles like sand and pocket lint. The second digit, liquid protection, water. The second digit, Y, rates the protection against liquids, specifically water, on a scale from 0, no protection, to 9, high pressure jets. For most flagship and mid-range phones, you will see either a 7 or an 8. The ratings 7 and 8 both denote protection against full submersion in water, representing a massive jump in capability compared to lower ratings, like 4 for splashing or 5 for low-pressure jets. IP67, the defined standard. The IP67 rating is clearly and universally defined. A device with this rating is completely dust-proof, 6, and can withstand temporary submersion in up to 1 meter of fresh, static water for a maximum of 30 minutes. This level of resistance is robust enough to survive common accidents, such as dropping the phone in a sink, a puddle, or even a shallow toilet bowl, provided it is recovered quickly. IP68, the manufacturer-defined upgrade. The IP68 rating is the current gold standard. It guarantees the same complete dust protection, 6, but the liquid resistance, 8, means the device can withstand continuous immersion beyond the 1 meter and 30 minute limits of IP67. Crucially, the exact depth and duration for an IP68 rating are specified by the manufacturer. This means an iPhone 15 Pro, e.g., 6 meters, for 30 minutes, and a budget phone, e.g., 1.5 meters, for 30 minutes, can both be rated IP68, yet offer different levels of protection. Always check the fine print. Water resistant versus waterproof. It is vital to understand that all IP ratings indicate water resistance, not waterproofing. No device is 100% waterproof forever. The seals and gaskets that provide resistance can degrade over time due to wear and tear, drops, or exposure to extreme temperatures. The tests are performed under laboratory conditions using fresh water, salt water, corrosive, and chlorinated pool water, chemical, are far more damaging than fresh water and are generally not covered by the IP rating guarantee or the manufacturer's warranty. Protecting your rating. Any physical damage, even a small crack in the screen or a bent chassis, can compromise the delicate internal seals and immediately invalidate the IP rating. If your phone is dropped or repaired, its original resistance level is no longer guaranteed.